In this video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay drawings in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and you should be able to see in here this. From this case, proceed to click on this Get Started option in order to create an account. You can also get 14 days of free trial by clicking on this Try It Free option that will appear. Now, you also have the option to buy this directly, so click on Buy Now if you want. Now let's proceed to log in since we already have access and click on this Bluebeam. And you also need to download Bluebeam Revu right here. Now here is the app opened on my window. Now onto this case to add overlay drawings. Just click on this document option. And then after that, click on this overlay pages. Once you have done that, this should be able to show you right here the preview of it. On my case, let's make it black for now, since it will look like this. Now, this right here, this text PDFs with color-coded layers, which on default are green or red, to show differences. You can add files, align them, or use common points if scales differ. You can also use batch overlays if you want. You can change this however you want it, and in there, you can use page align if applicable. Here is a preview for that. Now, for the first document, we have in here this with green. Click on this plus in order to add right here a new document and click on this add files. And then let's add this. Click on open. And for the second file, let's make it red. And here you can see the overlay and how they actually intersect with each other. So you can head over and start with specific pages, page 17. And for this, let's make it at around page 3. And as you can see on the page 3, this is similar or black because they have the same content, but if you use different pages, they should be able to appear different as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.